How's it? Welcome to Mongoose Max Hawaii and the series Crypto Corner. Alright, I usually go about all different kinds of whatever I can find out. I'm an amateur. I am not a financial advisor, so whatever you do with your money, it's your responsibility. That means all your gains are your responsibility too. Yeah. But I feature Oduwa Coin because I have a lot of Oduwa Coin. I have a faith in this coin, and I'm a membership. I'm a part of the Oduwa Kingdom, as they call it. There's a cultural thing about it. And that's the thing. When people look at crypto, they often think the trading market. And how much is Bitcoin now? How much is Oduwa compared to that? If I buy that, can I trade it for more? Focusing on the trading. That's only one aspect of cryptocurrency. The real aspect of what is its purpose. So I hope to tell you a little bit of Oduwa Coin's purpose, why and how it is of value to people not only in Africa, worldwide. And I also want to show you, because I get some replies of, how do I buy a Oduwa Coin? I'm convinced. How do I buy a Oduwa Coin? And probably one of the best ways is download Oduwa Coin's Oduwa Pay wallet. So it's Oduwa Pay. So you go to your app store, Oduwa Pay, and download that. And you get it confirmed with your email. Then you make yourself a password. Then you have a login pin, and you'll see it'll take you through the instructions. But make sure you bring a pen and write down your passwords and passcodes that you generate for yourself. They are your private little keys beyond the alphanumeric big long addresses. So let's get going. Oh, before I go to that other segment, don't forget on my channel, don't forget, like, subscribe. Look at my other videos. I got Shakespeare and all kinds of try to make fun of the news. But over here, Oduwa Coin homepage right here, there's a link right here. And donate Oduwa Coin to the channel if you like. Definitely like and subscribe and leave comments. So now to the explanation. Hello, Mongoose Max Hawaii here. I'm going to attempt to describe what financial inclusion is. One of the solutions that Oduwa Coin presents to Africa especially. It probably can be definitely applied in other places, but definitely I'm going to use Africa as its core purpose was to help out there. So Africa as a continent has individual countries. Each country, you could say, has its fiat, its paper money, paper and coin, fiat money. And if you travel from one country to another country in Africa, you have the native currency of one country, and then you're going to travel to the other country. They don't accept that currency there, so your money is no good in that neighboring country or the other country that you're going to. So you have to exchange it. Now, whether your exchange is good or bad with the rates, or you had problems with exchanging it, it's a barrier. Now, your money is good in your own country, but not in the neighboring country. Now, that's a problem because Africa is a collection of countries. Now, what if you go outside of Africa? Say, to the US. You go to the US. Well, also, that currency isn't, well, it has to be put into an exchange. And say they don't give you very good rates with this exchange, then you have another problem. So you're losing value, or you come across a barrier and you can't utilize your own hard-earned cash, your money. So what's the difference with Oduwa Coin? Well, Oduwacoin, it's going to be based in Africa, but utilized everywhere else. But each Oduwacoin can be for merchants tethered to a tether coin. So these tether coins are always $1, for example, $1 US. This gives, even if Oduwacoin goes up and down with trading, this gives the merchants a stability with the volatility. It gives a stability for the merchants to be able to use Oduwacoin with the Oduwa Pay wallet. Also, Oduwacoin will be able to, via the Oduwa Pay wallet, it's connected to the other countries. So now you have Oduwacoin, you have your native country's money, and it's in your Oduwa wallet in Oduwacoin. Now when you go across the border and you're in that other country, you go to your Oduwa Pay wallet, and there's an instant exchange to whatever country you've gone to their currency. So you're going to have an exchange on your wallet with the Oduwa Pay wallet app. And that is a great border. It breaks down that border. It makes a pathway to pay. Also, Oduwa Pay is going to have to be tethered to the US coin, a US dollar, fiat, dollar and coin. So the Oduwacoin in America can be easily exchanged into dollar. So basically, merchants in the US can use Oduwacoin using the Oduwa Pay wallet. So this opens whatever country in Africa you're from, your native fiat money, the paper and coin, with the Oduwa and the Oduwa Pay wallet and the Oduwa Pay native blockchain, your native currency can go across the borders in Africa and international. Because when I say US, that's just an example. It's also Europe, other places, it's worldwide. So let me show you the Oduwa wallet just to see, the Oduwa Pay wallet just to see what it looks like, just to look at it. And for quick visual reference, once you put in your email address, they'll send you an email, and you right here looks like something like this, and you verify your account so they know it's a real email. And then once you do that, and you'll get this screen, verified. So on to the other explanation. Okay, welcome back for the short break. Now, when people think of Oduwacoin, they often think of the trading. How much is it on the market? And how much is Bitcoin? You know, 1/50, it's like hovers at $57,000 at this point. This is the end of March. This is March 25th, 2021. So a lot of people with the volatility, they'll say the market is, the trading, day trading is like a gamble. It's like dice. It's like chance. It's a gamble. And it isn't. It's however much people put their value on it. If they sell it, if they're selling it for 5 and it doesn't sell. Someone asks 6, it doesn't sell. Someone asks less than 5. Someone asks 4 and it starts to sell. Now the price is at 4. Then if it sells the next one it sells at 5, then the price is at 5. That's the market. It goes up and down. And that is free reign about what people want to buy and sell it for. So oftentimes when people are trying to figure out the market, they're trying to figure it out scientifically and analytically, but it's really what I call organic. It's people, what they want to do, what they want to buy it for, or what they want to sell it for. Now with Oduwacoin, you want to hold on to it. The idea, I would say, the best strategy is HODL. Put it in your mining wallet, put it in your Oduwa Pay wallet, and hold on to it. Because eventually, when people find out the purpose and its use, then they're going to see value and it's going to start to go. And Oduwa is always 21 million, just like Bitcoin, only 21 million ever. So that supply is going to dwindle and dwindle and dwindle. And when the demand starts coming in and people start buying it, demand is going to make the price go up and up eventually. So the best idea is to hold on for dear life. Now what I'm going to do is just show you the Oduwa Pay wallet, because I personally use the mining wallet. So basically my coins in the mining wallet. However, I did put in an app. So you just go to your Play Store. I have an Android, so on Play Store I typed in, well, I did type in Oduwa Pay, and what we have here, so you can do a closer inspection upon this, and see, because I already have the wallet, all I have here is this update. So it says basically we're gonna put the update. So if you have the wallet Oduwa Pay, definitely, put the update in there. And I don't know if this is going to do anything horrible, but before it's pending because I have a slow connection. Well, the update's going to wait for a little bit. I'm just going to go right to the wallet that I have, and here it is. This is the home page. Oh, okay. So I just logged it out. That's good, because that's exactly what I meant to do that. What I will do here is go to, wrong one. I will go to the Oduwa. Not as quick on this as some of my friends. Oh, it's okay. So as soon as I go to Oduwa Pay wallet, since I registered it, it's connected to an email. Give it a valid email. Make sure you put the .com in on it. It tricked me one time with that. Not a valid email. Oh, put the .com, gmail.com. Okay. Sends a an email. Then you look at the email and it's a verification, and then you set up a password, and also you have a passcode, which is a quick number thing. So if I can remember mine, invalid pin. Oh, okay. I'm not used to typing it in. There it is. So I typed it in. So now that's the first page of Oduwa Pay wallet, as you see. As current balance, I don't have anything in here. That's all in my mining wallet. So it says no data found. It's on the home. Now, if I wanted to send somebody something, here's the send page. So I type in that big long alphanumeric. You're best to cut and paste. They allow you to type it in. Say if I wanted to send something to my mining wallet, you put it there. And how much? You put it there. And the currency, if it's that. Okay. So that's send. If you go up here, there's a drop down menu. Oh, look at Oduwa USD. Oduwa USD is the Tether coin. It's going to be attached to the dollar. Our co-founder, one of our co-founders, Bright Enabu Lele,
he was saying that, oh, don't worry about that just yet. They're still kind of working on some of that stuff, but it's going to be tethered. Now, to send is that one. Now, request is here. Now, if you look here, you have that QT, or this is the QR code. So this graphic here is basically specific to this wallet. So this would be my wallet. So if you want to send me some Oduwacoin, just scan that and send away, and it'll wind up in my Oduwa Pay wallet. Do you want to? Oh, I pressed something. So you can share your QR code too. Here, see, this is the share button. It's familiar. You can share it, or you can share the address, which is down below. That big alphanumeric. Okay, because you can give this, you can show this around, because if they send something to this address, it'll go to your wallet, and that's that. And in history, of course, I don't have anything here, so it's giving me that graphic down there and the home. So I can send somebody that address and say, I would like 200 Oduwacoin because I'm going to paint your doghouse, whatever, something like that. You can start doing goods and services and paying that remittance, compensated for it. And here's some settings. I didn't really go into these too far, but I had a login page. Say if I accidentally showed this login code, I'm like, oh no, everybody on YouTube knows my login code. I can just change it right here. Go and change it. And I can change my password, my original. Confirmation pin, update it, reset pin. Okay, better not be touching too many buttons here. Okay, but right now there's nothing in this wallet, so if I'm just pressing away, I'm not going to get into too much trouble. So there I am there with my email address. You sure you want to log out? Yeah. Oh, somebody sent a message. Yeah, I'll log out. Okay, so there's the Oduwa Pay wallet. So with the Oduwa Pay wallet, you can now walk across the border. I want to change these Naira for this coin, and on your wallet you can exchange, and then you can pay with the local currency, and you can do that from the US worldwide. It basically opens up Africa to international economic inclusion, and that is huge, and that is what's going to make people flock to Oduwacoin and want to buy a whole lot of it. So right now it's up on Oduwa Pay. I mean, what is that? Coinbase? No, not Coinbase. Coin Payment. Right now it's listed with Coin Payment, which was difficult to do. They're gonna next go up from there to the Coinbase, I think. So it's on its progress on these listings where many more people are going to be able to access it initially. Now remember, when Bitcoin first went big, it was because they were listed, at least a lot of people say this, it got listed on Coinbase, an app. It got listed on Coinbase, and many people, they heard about it, and then they were, this is easy access. I just buy some on my app. Now don't forget, you can buy Oduwacoin on your Oduwa Pay wallet app. So if you want to buy Oduwacoin, download Oduwa Pay wallet app, register it up, get verified through your email, make sure you write down your PIN. Definitely have some place where you write that PIN and your all your passwords and your PIN down, and keep it safe. And that's it for now. Thank you. Hang loose.
So that was it. Oduwa Pay, the wallet, and a little bit of why it breaks those financial barriers, how it breaks it. It's on the Oduwa Pay. This is the functioning of how Oduwacoin is a digital money. It's a money, a virtual money. and it's an exciting future for all of us in the Oduwa Kingdom. You can be a part of this, and also, you know, it doesn't mean you're excluded from other crypto, but Oduwacoin is good. Anyway, so until next time, aloha, hang loose, take care.